Hey guys, in this video I'm going to make a chicken feeder for my chicken coop, so stick around. Hey guys, so at this point you know that I love reusing what I have left over from other projects and things like that. So this is what I'm really going to be building my feeder out of. I have a couple of these right here. These are 3-inch pipes. They already have the ends on them, and I was using them for bell siphons in my hydroponic greenhouse, which I don't use these anymore in the system, so I can use these. I already had a long 3-inch pipe, and the only thing I had to buy was some PVC glue, cement, a T, and a 45-degree elbow fitting. So that's what I'm going to be using to make this. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of clean these edges off. After remeasuring, it looked like they're a little bit wide, so I'm going to cut them a little bit shorter. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut sections out on both sides where the chicken's going to get the feed. Okay, so we've got it mounted underneath here, so take a look at what this looks like. I just used some extra, the hardware cloth, and mounted it to a 2x3, same on the other side. We have our T in the middle, connected to a 45. The only thing I have actually glued right now is where the 45 is with the straight. The rest of it I don't have glued, and the reason is if I want to take this out, clean it out or anything like that, if I glue it, I'm probably never going to be able to get it out unless I cut it up. So just by doing that, I can detach it right here at this T, remove that, wash it out, wash the other part out, and that's not a problem. So it goes through the hardware cloth, around over here, and once again, have this mounted with some hardware cloth. Now for the cap, I'm using a test plug. So you loosen this. It's almost like one of those little rubber sealing things that you have in your kitchen, keep food fresh. But put that in there and it's loose. Tighten it down. Kind of expands that rubber piece. And now you can't get that off. So that's what I'm going to use. That is the system for feeding the chickens, and we'll see how it works out. Hey guys, that's it for the video. Make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will make sure that I am doing more updates on the feeder system as we get the chickens involved and let you know how it all goes. So until next time, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll make sure to make sure. Okay, let me redo that. Appreciate you guys watching, and God, I keep. There we go. Okay. Yeah, and that's it for the feeder system. I'll be sure to make video That